The following video is a EUROMAC hydraulic CNC punch. It's a model BX750-30, serial number BX016012A. It's new 2000.
Load position.
It's load position.
Next gauge block. Clamps open up. Sheet. That's your die holder. "3.5" punch holder. Tool in tool actuator for multi-station. 3.5 to 2 inch, 1.25 and 1/2 inch adapter. There's graphics, we only have one hit.
Again, the preceding video was a EUROMAC hydraulic punch. The model is a BX750-30, serial number BX016012A. It's new in 2000.